So I was looking for Xiaomi MiMo-V2.5 model, and I happened to found that in Openclaude. The model is free and being provided by one of the sponsors, GitLab, right? So they seem to have only requirement that you should get the API key, bind it to Openclaude, and then you can serve that. So first thing you would have to do is basically run this npm command, which would globally download the Openclaude. Once you do that, you can open your terminal and type in Openclaude, and which would start the Openclaude like this. Now in first attempt you are supposed to use provider, which will load the provider. And here you can see currently I have already added one of the key, so you can get this particular key from their web page GitLab, then open gateway keys. Here you have to create a new key, and from there onwards you would be able to add this key in add provider option. You can see here, and choose the GitLab open gateway, and then you have to hit the key. You can use escape to get back and say done if you have done everything. Once you add the key, it will show you status like this, key set active, and you would be able to use MiMo version 2.5 Pro. So this model will be provided from them instead of directly from Xiaomi. So if we use escape again, we will be back to the prompt, and here you see we have provider GitLab open gateway and MiMo-V2.5 Pro. Now how good this model is for coding, we can find that out. Currently I am inside one of the directory where you can see I have created one application which emulates the Linux. So I will ask read the file, which is basically the code review. So code review -me.html, and create a list of tasks to be performed to make this app deployable on Play Store, right? So it should read our HTML file, which is here, which contains the latest code review, how to work with this particular Linux app, right? So basically it boots into the Alpine Linux, and just we use like regular Linux app within Android. So I'm attempting to finish that, but for that I need to first create a list of tasks. So I'm using this particular MiMo-V2.5 so that I can show you how good it is, right? Instead of going through benchmark and all, the best option is always to give it some sort of a task, and then based on the output you can judge how good it is for coding, right? So make sure that your API key is working, and also the model is set to MiMo-V2.5 Pro. And it may take a bit of time considering it is going through whole project, and as you can see it has started working after reading our file. So I'm supposed to basically read this task file, which would appear once this work is done, and we can actually see this within our project folder, and then we will be reading this in Visual Studio Code. Now they have created it like a summary within the terminal itself. We can make it save the file. Here we can see some of the critical issues, and it is asking you permission whether you want to directly work on it. So I will say save this task as a file in tasks MD file, right? So this will be saved as a markdown and we will be saving this, right? Once it does that, we are good to go, right? I would actually take a look at the file through VS Code. Notice that the file is created. It has given it the option to check mark, and here you can see you have to let it save the file to the file system, so it will ask the permissions. Say yes, and so you let it save based on the choice, right? So it will append the changes, right? Here you can see save the stars as a file, then save to team memories. You can see reference code review and project play store. So like two additional files are also stored in here, right? So right, in case the file is missing or something, you can always ask where is the location. It will also explain you the location. Here you can see task file is stored, so I will right click and open it through VS Code. So we have to wait till it loads. Here you can see the whole file is stored. It will also show you the tasks that we are expected to do before we can even deploy to the Play Store. So this model would pretty much be usable for coding and also for doing the code review, setting up the tasks, and also making it for your full small to complex projects. Make sure to plan it using /plan or any other method that you prefer. Like first you go through design, then you plan the rest of the components. You choose that flow, right? So if you are looking for a free model to use, you can test out Xiaomi's MiMo.